Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to fix Roblox Error Code 262. Now, the first thing that we'll need to do is to go to our search bar and then search for settings. Okay, that's right. Because we are going to make sure that we are connected to our internet provider. So just tap on network and internet and then check your Wi-Fi connection. So if it's doing good, just exit this one and then navigate to your web browser and then type out roblox.com. Okay, and then use the three dots to locate your web browser settings and then click on the privacy and security and then just click on the site settings and then you will be able to see here the third party cookies and then click on the see all data and then you can just use the search bar or locate your application and then select the bean icon and then click on clear. Okay, so right after doing that, the next thing that you can do is to exit this one and then use the search bar and then you will just have to type out um percent up data percent. Okay, so you just have to click on enter and then you'll be able to see this. So at the top of this option, just click on the app data and then click on local and then select your Roblox folder. Okay, this one. So you will just have to delete this or remove this folder. Okay, so right after doing that, you can exit that and then navigate to the search bar again. Okay, so now you will have to type out Roblox player. Okay, so here you will have to right click this one and then click on the open file location. So right after that, you can see the Roblox player. So just tap on it or click it, okay, and then open file location, okay. And then right after that, you will have to choose the Roblox player, okay. So you will have to right click that one, okay, the Roblox player launcher, and then click on properties. Then right after that, navigate to the compatibility. Okay, and then mark check the run this program as administrator and then tap on OK. So right after that, you will just have to check if your Roblox application is doing great. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.